1 month after the Shimatsu University incident. Everyone has recovered already, and the reconstruction of the university was already done. And as a result, the classes were continued. Hey Peanut, do you feel as excited as I am? Oh yeah, this will be the first step to our dreams. Hey Miracle, how about you? Well, I feel scared. Oh, but I'm warning you. Don't scream again. Attention! I am Captain Raitoningu, and today will be your torture. Huh? Let's proceed. He escaped! Attention! Prison 104 escaped. I repeat, he escaped. Let's find him. Who are you?